Hello everyone. Today I am here with a new topic is a R function. What is the role of function in R? First we know the definition of the function. Function is a set of instruction. It is used to avoid the repeating same task or reduce the complexity. Is whenever we use the function there is a give the facility to repeating the same thing again and again, also reduce the complexity. Okay. R has the inbuilt function. There are three types of inbuilt function. First is general function, second is math, and third is statics function. So general function, in general function we are using the difference function and length function, uh, and also there is some function also use the C bind is column bind. We know about the row bind and range. How much whenever we use, then we give the range, and sorting is like descending or ascending order. These are also used. Mainly, there are two main difference. Function is difference and length. Difference is mostly used for the time series. We build a random time series data series, like when the rain comes, so that time what is the weather of the today. So that time we using the time series. And next is length. Length is function return the same element of the vector. When we use the data set, then we pass the value, and then we want the how much the length of this data set. So it's give the length functions use that time. And data frame, the number of column it's written, the how much column are there, how much row are there. We do tell you with practically. And next is math function. R has some math function also. ABS abstraction function, sorry, absolutely function, abstract function, and exponent function. This is a square root, this is a factorial. These are the math function. And statics function is mean, medium, variant, and standard deviation, then scale, standard score, and quantile. These are the statics function. So and next we move to the practically, where I am tell you about all these function. So first I will tell you, because there is a function is a difference in general function. So first we know about the some other function also, like where I am using the cum sum, com cum sum. Comes some function. This is the inbuilt function. Because I am using in time series, we use this function. So that's why I decide that first we know about the function. So I am giving the range. There is 1 to 5. This is the range. And then if I run, so it's give the 1 3, then 6. There is a, if you count, then is 1 is a 2 difference in 2, then there is a 1 3, then 6, there is a 3 difference, then there is a 4 difference, and there is a 5 difference. If you see the output, there is some difference. It increase one by one. There is two difference, and then 3, then 4, 6 to 10 4, and 10 to 5 is 5 number difference. So this is comes some function is a function which is used for the single parameter value. Is We can also call it this the cumulative cumulative function, which is used for the calculating the numeric value. So this is the call the comes some value, or it also return the value which is vector type, or and same length. Next is so and I am also tell you one more example. You see where I am passing some values. So if run, and second is R norm function. Is R norm function which is a normally distributed random variable function called R for random, and NORM is normally um, which is given the uh, vector length. It return the vector length like a column length, row length. So R where I pass 10 is 10 values, and mean is equal to, because I have passed the 10 values, so 10, and last SD is equal to 2. Standard deviation is 2. So what it return? So it return the all values. 11. This is the random. It's whenever random is, it automatically generate the values output. Every time it return the different values. Now again I run this give the different value, because that is the R stand for random value. So now I come to my topic is a function, because it is necessary to tell you some function and norms function, where I am using this function. So that's why I explained before. Now I set dot seed where I pass 1 to 3. Set dot seed means that it's give the output in particular particular way, not a different way like this. That time I run this give the different value, and that time it give the, so it give the constant value. So it not change if I run every time, so it not change the values. That is a beneficial for if we set the function as set dot seed, where you can pass anything. I have passed 1 2 3. It's not compulsory that you pass the 1 2 3. You can pass 444, 2 1 2, anything you can pass. Where I am taking the variable x R are norms where I am taking the 5000 values. Next I am taking the TS. TS stand for time series. It's not compulsory that you have to taken this you will have to taken this TS, not necessary, you can take anything. So TS where I am passing the come sum function and where pass the x values, which is by my 5000. So one by one I run it. Now I am using the DIF. So is a different function name. Where I am passing the DS. Next I am passing the parameter. These all are the inbuilt prepare में I want to MF row. MF row means that there is the parameter which allow to split the screen and show the different panel. MF row is because I am passing the parameter. It show whenever we passing the we using the visualizer plot, using the plot or visualization, that time it's work. MF row where I want to split the panel in two parts. Is it cars? Is it inbuilt data? Is it car is the data set? Is R provide the many data inbuilt data set? So you can try go to the help and it show you how many data set are there. So one of them is car is also. So I run print the value, so it give the speed and distance. Now I am using these all method. So first I want to know the columns, how many columns are there, number of columns, number of I'm using the length where I am passing the df is my data set name. So it's give the 2 because there is only 2 column are 2, speed and distance. Again number of rows, then length and TF. DF के अंदर I will pass the all rows. So it's give the 50. There is, if you see that there is a 50 rows. Is it 1, 2, 3? The last is 50. This one is the 50. Row is 50. So show you 50 output. Is it next is I want to print number from 44 to 45. Sorry, 55, and also including the increment by 1. I explain you that I want to 44 to 55. It prints the 44 to 55 number. After that, it take the plus 1. So whatever the output, it added 1 also, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Then it's show you 11 also. X is equal to sequence is a sequence where you can pass a lot of value. 45, 55, and by 1. You can give any two numbers, so it add two number. Sorry, by equals, I forgot the equal sign. If I print the X, so it give the 10 values. Now I want to see logarithm. Log, where okay, why I am is because X I am already taking, that's why it's not working. Using the X1 because X I am already taken, that's why it's not working. Now print the X1. log log and passing the x1. So if we it's not working, there it show the only sequence values. Okay. Now there is show you logarithm like a 1 2 3 3. It's all 10 is r 3 3, and for 11 value is 4, so it add the one values is 4. If you count 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10. After 10 it take it 4 values, because I am given the y is equal to 1, so it add it. Is it next? I want to see the exponential value. Is it next? exp, where I am passing x1. How is the exponent? Is the exponent out? This is the exponent out. Next, I want to see the square root. SQ art square x1. These are the arithmetic function which I am using. Now see the factorial value, then factorial sometimes spelling mistake. So this is the factorial variable. Now come to the statics function. So I want to check the speed aspect, because I am using the car data set where there is two columns, speed and distance. Then df dollar, where I want to see the speed. Print as speed. This is the speed. It's give the all 50 values is row values. Now I want to see the mean value of the speed. Then M mean where I am passing. It's give the 15 mean value 15.4. And next I want medium. Is a 50. Medium value is 50. Now I am using the variance. Variance mainly use the it means it count the how much value away from the mean values. This is 27.95918 is the variance. Now next is standard deviation. Standard deviation is show the standard deviation SD pass the SP is a 5.28764. And next is quantile is a quantile is quantile give the probability like 0.25. If show, so it means it show that 25%. If it give the 0.50 mean 50%, and if it give the 0.75 means 75%. It is divided into 3 parts. So 25%, 50 and 75. It divide the all values. Then quantile it's give the 25, 50, 75 and 100%. 0% for 12, 15 and 19. It's give the all quantile. So this is the R function where I am using the diff function which is called general function, and length function, arithmetic function, and as well as statics function is a mean, medium, where, and arithmetic where I am using the square root, factor, log. These are the mathematics function. So hope you like it. So thank you for watching this video.